Welcome to SNA Real Estate. This is your real estate consultant Sarika Ganguly here. So, hope you all had a great day today. Well, for the investment in residential projects in Delhi, Gurgaon, and Noida, presently you can book for the site visit and query for Godrej South Estate, which is in South Delhi. Then you can do Godrej Riverine, which is in Noida, situated in Sector 44 Noida near Botanical Garden. Godrej Astra, this is Sector 54, Golf Course Extension Road, Gurugram. Godrej Miraya, Golf Course Extension Road, Sector 43, Gurugram. Tak Kailasa Kirti Nagar, Tak Tripundra Bijwasan, Smart World DXP in Dwarka Expressway. The property is in name of GEMS, Signature Global Gurugram and Shobha Altus Gurugram. Apart from that, you can even have a Zoom meeting to understand all the Dubai projects, which is from the House of Danube, which is Times, Diamond, Sparkles, Fashions, all these projects are there. Apart from that, you can even inquire for Shobha Orbis, Shobha Heartland, right? All these projects are there, and the Sinia Island basically. Sinia Island is a beautiful or a natural island where all the residential projects came up, correct? Apart from that, even you can ask us for the MAC. The MAC has a beautiful community living in name of, Riverside. So you can have all the Zoom meetings and the site visits as per your requirement and queries. So please just not wait much. All the consultations have no charges. Basically, it's totally free of cost, and I will guide you to the right property at the right time with the right kind of a budget. So be in tune with SNA Real Estate and have enjoy the boom, the property boom, appreciation of money, wealth. You can create actually the wealth. Okay, take care.